Oh my god. I got so much going on right now. Ew. Okay. What's good, YouTube? It's your girl, and I'm back with another video. I really gotta figure out my intro, cause right now I doubled up. My chin tripled up right there. 1, 2, 3. All right, now go. Oh, I'm getting old. Okay, we're gonna go into HEBZ. Okay, we're about to go into HEBZ, and we're going to pick out some meals, and then I'm actually gonna record throughout the week the meals that I cook. I'll post it probably on Snap. Anyway, I'll get back with you guys once I get into HEBZ. Bye. Guys, when we come back to edit, we're gonna talk about cold water infusions. I need to do my research on this. This looks so convenient and healthy. Okay. Oh, I need to do some research. I grabbed some, I put this tea bag, and then I grabbed some of this. I'll show you guys at the house. Ooh. Okay. This is cute. I am a sucker for packaging. Okay, so I'm almost done in HEB, and I will show you guys everything I got once I get back to the house. So I'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay, so YouTube, we're back. We're outside, and look at, oh my god, I almost fell. This is like slush. Okay, so I'm from Michigan. I did not realize that it got this cold. It's Houston, Texas. This is Houston, Look at this. No way. No way. This is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna send this to my parents. Mom, Dad, look at this. Look at this in Houston. This is so crazy, y'all. Oh my gosh. Ooh. My fingers frozen. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hold on. Like, comment, and subscribe. All right, y'all ready? Watch this. Oh my god. Wait, hold on. Watch this, y'all. Hold on. Oh my god. This is so insane. It snowed in Texas. It snowed in Texas. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Okay, I should get this out. Okay. Okay, YouTube, so we are done in HEB and now we are getting ready to make it to the house. We just went to my sister's house. I had to go grab this thing. You guys remember that the video where I went to Walmart to go get this for my camera? So I wanted to go to my sister's house and get it because I'm going to show you guys later, but I couldn't plug like this in and transfer the files from my camera to my hard drive at the same time. It was like I could only plug in one thing. I'll show you later. But so yeah, so now we got that, so we're back in business and most of the videos are going to be coming from my camera again. But right now we are stuck in traffic because it is icy out here in Houston, y'all, and you guys know that Texas drivers basically lose their mind when they see anything that resembles snow. So I don't know how long this is gonna take. I'm already an hour away, so I guess okay, so my camera cut out. All right, guys, I'm gonna get back with you once I get to the house. Bye. Look at this. Look at all this snow everywhere. Look at the snow. Look. Ice snow ice. All right, y'all. Okay, so we're done with HEB. We went and got a whole bunch of groceries. When I cook tonight, I'm gonna make sure I get a little bit of footage to share with y'all. Me and Monica are about to go in the house. It is freezing out here, and I can't believe it's this cold. It's like 30 degrees in Houston, Texas. It's insane. But yeah, so what I think I'm gonna do later is probably, so right now I'm getting ready to go to Costco. I'm gonna get a little bit of footage of me at Costco and grab some stuff, and then on my way back home I'm probably gonna close out the vlog. Probably gonna close out the vlog a little bit, so y'all can get a little bit of Costco, and then that'll be it for this video, and I shall see you guys on the next one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't liked, commented, and subscribed yet, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm so confused on what you're doing. Join the family. We're fun over here. Ice, baby. Ice, baby. Costco, we're here. Okay, so we have made it into Costco. And wow. A 85-inch TV. I didn't even know TVs were this big. Where would this even go? I like this refrigerator. This is how you know you're an adult, when you care about refrigerators. Oh, I love this refrigerator. No way. Cute. Oh my God, y'all. Okay, I'm about to get lost in Costco, and then I will let y'all know what I find, because right now I'm amazed. 85-inch television? 65 for 40. Oh, this is a good deal. Look at that. Oh my God. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Bubba! Nah, he lost. He got lost. All right, y'all. So I will be back. I'm about to get lost in Costco. Oh, they have earpods. Bye. Well, guys, as you can see, I am relaxing here next to my greenhouse and my and we'll be back. Probably gonna buy that. Definitely want this. Look at these beautiful decorative pillows. Oh, I gotta come back to Costco. I totally gotta come back here when I have the bag. Whoa. So cute. Okay, alright, bye. OMG. Katie, we have got to do this. We have got to do this for a girl's day, girl. Look at that. Look at that bottle. Beautiful. Oh! Okay. So I absolutely adore Costco. What I think I want Taylorport. What? No way. No way. Oh, look. What is this even? This is so cool. I'm having too much fun. I know I wasn't supposed to be drinking this year, y'all, but I did my detox. I'm back in the game. I'm gonna do continuous detoxes throughout the year. So yeah, Taylorport for sure. Okay, bye. So right now it's between Taylorport and Bailey's, but I'm thinking I'm gonna go to Taylorport. I'm thinking Taylorport. I don't know. Is this what I want? Is this really what I want? I don't know. This is cute and awesome. Look at this, guys. What is that? Cream liquid. Not it come with a glass. These are cute. I just want it just for the. I think I'm gonna get one just because of the. I mean, it's not that much. Yeah, we're getting that. We're getting ready to try that. We're doing it. Okay, well, I gotta go, guys, because I need my other hand. So here's to 2024, and yeah, we're drinking this year. We're drinking, but we're detoxing more than we're drinking this year. So just stay with me, okay? There's a method to the madness, y'all. There's a method to my madness. I'm gonna get this Taylorport. I'm gonna get some of this ice rosé. Me and Katie are gonna open this. I wanna try that with her. And then, yeah. That's cute. Okay. Alright, y'all. So, this will probably be the end of the vlog, guys. Thank you for going shopping with me today. I'm gonna put all of this into a video. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. All right, guys, and this is the Costco trip. Thank you. This is the results of Costco. So I'll show you guys. Well, I guess I won't show you guys. I keep saying bye, but I haven't really closed out the vlog yet. So I won't be able to show you guys all of what I bought because I already put up the groceries earlier when I went home. And I probably won't just be showing you this, but what I'm gonna do, so you guys, and I'm kind of talking to myself when I'm editing in the future right now, is I'm going to make small like reels and TikToks of all the things that I purchased and tag Costco or the manufacturers in it, because what I'm trying to do this year, guys, is get a whole bunch of brand deals. So let's get focused and let's get this work. So, all right. This is me officially closing out the vlog. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.